It's the start of a new series. We're going to be restoring this Ford 6400. In this episode, we're going to pressure wash, clean the interior, and go over all the problems that need to be addressed. But before we can begin, we need to finish unloading the tractor. I bought this tractor with Mrs. Capra in mind. I wanted something safe with a cabin, and I also wanted power steering for some operating comfort. The red Carraro tractor is as bare bones as it gets. Now I personally appreciate that, but it's not for everyone. That's why I'm dubbing this tractor Mom's Tractor. First thing to do is to get to know the tractor. Now I like to start off with a good cleaning so I can look at all the interior and exterior parts up close. We have a lot to do this episode, so let's get to it. A lot hides itself behind grime and dirt. Now with the addition of a cabin, we need to clean the interior too. It's time for Mrs. Capra to do her very first tractor dive. This way she can familiarize herself with the tractor. Next, I like to work with the tractor, see what's working on it, what's not. I've compiled a list of what I found so far. Rust. The cabin has a lot of rust patches on it. We need to address that. The tires. Well, all tires are basically bad. Rotted out or have a big gaping hole in them. There's a wobble in the PTO shaft. The window's been damaged by the windshield wiper. I've seen a lot of tractors get this kind of problem. The clutch is nearly spent, but for now it's still working, so we'll keep that at the end. The heating regulator is stuck. It's stuck on heating, so it's either hot air or no air. The stop cable broke and has been repaired very poorly. I already got a new one for that. But let's first start with the front tires. They're easy to replace and not as expensive as the back ones. I need to prioritize this tractor. I need it to become roadworthy as fast as possible. I've started the process of recovering lost paperwork. This is a big administrative journey that can take months. The reason why I need this tractor on the road will be revealed in another project. For now, we will end the episode here. See you next time on Capra Homestead.